Hey guys, I want to show you how to submit your final typed vacation story. So you're going to go to Lessons, Writing, and then Unit 1, Realistic Fiction. If you scroll down, you find Final Typed Realistic Fiction, Favorite Vacation. Click on that, and then you can submit assignment. So you saved or you worked on your typed thing on Office 365. So you should have these options right here. If you click Office 365, it doesn't work for me, but for you, all of your files on 365 will pop up right here. And you need to find the name of your story, and there will be a checkbox next to it. Click on the checkbox, and then it will say upload file, and it will upload your file, and all you have to do is submit from there. So that it is easier on you, make sure you name your Office 365 file, your Word document. You can name it whatever, and that way it makes it easier for you to turn it in. I hope that helps making submitting your assignment easier, and I'll see you tomorrow in class.